Hey guys, happy Vlogmas day 5. Oh my goodness, like the time is flying, but it's so much fun. I hope you guys have been enjoying Vlogmas. If you're new to my channel, hi you guys, my name is Kelly. I would love it if you hit that subscribe button down below so you can get notified the next time I upload. I just finished editing today's new YouTube video since this vlog will go up the next day. It's seriously so cute. I have a few things to finish up on it. I need to make the thumbnail and everything, but I figured I would get the vlog started. I'll show you guys my outfits once I'm done because it's super cute. I'm gonna go try and get a few Instagram pictures for it, and then I also have a few Etsy orders to get in the mail as well, which is seriously so crazy. So my Vlogmas day 1 video, I'll insert a card, was all about making bracelets for my Etsy shop, which is linked down below, and you guys are seriously spoiling me with all the orders. I've had over 6 since that video's gone up, which to me is just insane. Like 6 orders in like 3 days. Oh, freaking out, and I'm so happy, and they're like big orders too, so I really appreciate it, and I'm so thankful for that. So if you haven't checked it out, be sure to check out the video, but also check out my Etsy site. But I'm gonna head over to my computer and finish this editing up. The daily video game is going strong. I have a final I have to finish today, so I just thought it'd be fun to bring you guys along with me for a day in my life, and so I hope you guys enjoy this video. So this is what I'm wearing. My video is currently uploading. I just have on this outfit, and both pieces are from Shein. So this turtleneck is just this really soft cream turtleneck sweater, and then I just have on this super cute red corduroy skirt, and then I have on my riding boots. I'm gonna go take a picture of it, so I thought it was very festive to get the Instagram feed poppin', which my Instagram is just at Kellyprepster in case you guys want to check it out. I also just finished planning out 2 other outfits to go do like a little photo shoot and get a video up. I'm thinking my little beret would look super cute with this outfit, so I was going to pack up my Etsy orders to run to the post office while I'm out running errands, but I'm out of A's for some of the custom orders, so I'm going to run over to Walmart to pick them up. So I'll film making those or run to the post office a little bit later, but I'm just waiting for my video to finish uploading. Then I'm going to go shoot some pictures and run to Walmart and a few other errands as well.
Hi, can I have a large Diet Coke?
Oh, it's at that window. Oh, awkward. That's so awkward. There is a helicopter up there.
Thank you, have a good day. Hi, can I help you?
Hi, can I have a large Diet Coke and then another large Diet Coke with no ice?
That's all for you?
That's all, thank you.
Thank you.
Alright, you guys, I paused the music. Oh my gosh, so I did my the line hasn't moved at all and the little voice thing keeps going, but me and my mom just got Diet Cokes because we've been out running errands since like 1 and no, since 2, and it's like 5 o'clock now. We're both like, we need some caffeine. But I was gonna tell you my like Spotify wrap up. I got that earlier this week, and my songs are so weird, but I'm listening to Hannah Montana, and it was like one of my top artists for the year. But we took a few outfit pics, so I'm in a different outfit. I have this super cute little beret on. I love it. It's getting really cold. It's like 42 degrees outside, but we're just gonna do a few more errands, and then we're gonna pop into Walmart. Like I said, I need to get some beads and some string. It's just been a busy errand running day, but I'm super excited for this Diet Coke and thought it'd be a perfect time to update you guys.
This is the string that I use, so this is good. I just don't see any letters. And oh my gosh, you guys, so they didn't have any of the letter beads. That's such a long line, but we're gonna head to another craft store because I want to get these orders out tomorrow morning, tonight. Like I want to finish them, so I'm gonna head to like a local craft store and hope they have it. You guys, just got back home. It is so cold outside. I kind of have a little bit of a like hat hair going on, but I'm gonna show you guys what I got. But I also found
some alphabet beads. We went to Michael's, which I didn't know wasn't like a local craft store today, but you know, that's okay. So I picked these up. Fingers crossed they match all the rest of my beads and everything, but these are so hard to find, so I have a lot of custom orders. I'm gonna package them up and make them next, so you guys will get a little behind the scenes of this. And then I also picked up from Walmart this Go Create string. This is what I've been using, and I get the really big pack, so it's 328 feet of the stretchy elastic string, and I have made so many bracelets. This is my second time buying it, and I've sold over, I want to say like 400 bracelets, plus I make them for all my friends and family and everything, so you definitely will get your money's worth. I think it was like $3, so super awesome. Let me see the exact price. Okay, it might have been a little bit more than that. It was $8, but nonetheless, you get so much string out of this, so it's so worth it. I love it rather than the little ones, but we're gonna make some bracelets so I can get these Etsy orders shipped and marked as shipped and get them in the mailbox so they go out tomorrow morning. And then I still need to do my project. I'm gonna do that tonight. I think me and my mom are gonna work out after I get this done, and then I'm going to change into PJs and get my homework done, and then I have a lot of computer work that I'm gonna do, but I'll bring you guys along with me. I just finished getting my orders ready. I'll run those to the post office in the morning since it's already 7, which I'm so excited. I'll get it in tomorrow's mail. I am just so beyond grateful for all the orders. You guys are seriously so amazing. But I'm going to change into some workout clothes. Me and my mom are going to go do a workout. I might go for a run after, and then I'm going to put some PJs on, and then I'm going to finish my final that I have. I feel like it's just been that like stress that's like weighing me down all day. I'm like, once I finish it, I'm done with school for the semester, so I'm just gonna knock it out and then maybe watch like a chick flick and sew some scrunchies, because I want to show you guys my holiday line so far. Adding these to my Etsy site. So I have this really pretty Christmassy plaid, this white one that has like little sparkles in it. I have this big green one that's like really fun, and then I have a shark tooth black and white one, this blue velvety one, and then I also have this red one that's like a lace, which I feel like so fun and so festive. So be sure to check out my Etsy link down below, because I'm going to be adding those to my site very soon. They should be up by the time this video is up, and I only have a limited supply, so if you guys want to get one, and especially if you want to get one before Christmas, be sure to order soon, just because shipping can really vary with everything going on, plus just the holidays in general. So I'm hoping to start sewing some more of these tonight after I finish my homework. Otherwise, I'm just going to make a bunch of them tomorrow, but I'm seriously so excited. I'm like in the holiday spirit, and it's so much fun. And here is today's workout outfit. I just have on this oversized preppy t-shirt from Southern Proper, and then I just have on these really cute running shorts that I got from Shein, all white Nikes. Super cute. I love it. I'm just gonna go downstairs in our basement and work out with my mom, and then I'm just going to bite the bullet into my final project. I'm seriously so happy. I just submitted my last final for the semester. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I had no idea what I'm doing and I just hope I get a passing grade. But it's done. Oh my gosh, I feel like there's so much weight off my shoulders now. So I'm just gonna clean up my desktop because it's quite a mess because of all the dragging and dropping from that project. And then I don't know what I'm gonna do next. I might honestly end the vlog because I think I'm gonna have like a movie night and go to bed. I am exhausted. I feel like it's been such a busy but also stressful day because I'm like, I have to get this done. But I hope you guys have been enjoying the vlog and I'll keep you guys updated. Guys, it is a hot minute later. I've been laying in bed watching YouTube videos on my phone, just like so happy that I'm done with my final. And honestly, like, where did I have all that energy thinking like, oh, maybe I'll sew after? I'm exhausted. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you haven't already, definitely hit that subscribe button and I'll see you guys tomorrow with my next video. Bye guys.